Hello friends, welcome to Continental Desi Kitchen. In today's video, we're going to see a very quick, delicious and interesting fish recipe which is baked Ilish or Hilsa. And this Ilish fish recipe is best to enjoy with hot steamed rice. So friends, let's get started with this quick, easy and delicious baked fish recipe. And here I have taken 3 Ilish steaks and now I'm going to season them with some salt as per taste, a pinch of turmeric or haldi powder, and the juice of half a lemon. Now rub the salt, turmeric powder and lemon juice well on both the sides of the fish pieces, and we will let them rest for at least 10 minutes. Next, here I have taken 2 tablespoons of Posto dana or poppy seeds and 2 tablespoons of yellow mustard seeds soaked in warm water. And now we need to transfer this to a chutney jar. Here goes the yellow mustard seeds as well as the poppy seeds soaked in hot water. And along with it, we'll add 1 green chilli and a small piece of ginger. Next goes a small bowl of dahi or curd, say around 2 tablespoons. And finally goes some salt as per taste. And now we need to grind this into a very smooth paste. Let's check this once. And our smooth poppy and mustard sauce or paste is ready. We'll transfer the fine paste or sauce into a mixing bowl. Let a splash of water to rinse off the chutney jar. Next goes 2 green chillies or as per your spice level and around 1 teaspoon of mustard oil. Now give this a good mix. And our flavorful sauce to bake the Ilish fish is now ready. Here I have taken an oven safe dish. I will line it up or place a banana leaf. Whenever you bake or steam fish, particularly with mustard sauce in banana leaf, the result is just amazing. Next, I'll drizzle a few drops of mustard oil on the banana leaf, and then we'll place the marinated Ilish steaks, followed by the poppy seed and mustard seed paste or sauce all over the fish pieces. And then we'll cover it with 1 more banana leaf so that when we bake them in the oven, the sauce doesn't dry out because we want the fish and the sauce to remain moist and juicy. And now we'll bake this in a preheated oven for about 15 minutes at 200 degrees Celsius. And after 15 minutes, our baked Ilish fish is ready. And just before serving, I will drizzle a few drops of mustard oil as this gives the ultimate flavor to the dish. And few green chillies on top. That's it. Our baked Ilish fish is now ready to be enjoyed with hot steamed rice. So friends, do try this delicious fish recipe soon. Also share your feedbacks and do subscribe my channel if you haven't yet for more interesting and delicious recipes in future. See you soon in my next video. Until then, bye bye, take care and stay safe.